The purpose of this task for is we try to produce two separate programs. We can call this the benign program and malicious program. They will have the same md5 hash, but they behave completely. This means that when we execute this program, we will have the different output. The technique used here is the same for task 3. We will separate the execute file into two parts, the prefix and the suffix. And then based on the prefix, we generate the md5 collision and then append the same prefix to the program by using the collision here. So the two programs will have the same md5, but they will run differently. Note that we also need to modify the suffix a little bit so that we can bypass the condition on the shortcut. So first of all, let's take a look at the benign malware file here. We will have two indicated array x and y with the length is 300 character A. This is the signature where we can find the offsets of the x and the y. And then we need to modify the if condition here so that the malicious shortcut will run into this loop and print out the malicious. Yep. And for the benign program, it will run as normal and just print out the benign text here. So first of all, let's use the GCC to combine this shortcut. I'm sorry, we missed the output here. Okay, we can use the Blast HESA editor to see the out the offsets of the x and y. Here, yeah, here. This is the offset stack for x array, and this is offset stack for y array. We can convert the offset here to the decimal by just click here. We see that it start from offset 4160. So let me split this file into two parts, the prefix and suffix. We use the command c 41609 and append this to the prefix file. And then we use command tail here and keep 128 bytes and then tap on up the rest of the file into the suffix file. So the net offset would be 42AA into suffix. And then we generate the md5 collision based on the prefix and two outputs S1 and S2. It will take a few seconds to finish this command. Yep. We can check the md5 hash of S1 and S2. They are the same, but when we use diff, they are different. The next step is try to extract the P and Q from S1 and S2. It's, it's P and Q is it will be the suffix step we will insert. And we will use to concat the escape the software later. So now we see that from the software here, we also need to replace the if command here. Yeah, we need to change the s command here to make s equal to y or not or something. I mean that we need to bypass this here, and we can do this by modify the suffix plus suffix, and we try to see the offset where the second y begin. Yep, we see that this is the offset C1 C1. So we can modify the suffix here and list them into two small suffix by using the same technique above. C192 suffix into suffix pre and tail 5 suffix into suffix post. And now we just create the new executable programs by concat the md5 collisions with the same suffix. This set it is the same to Tosti, but now we run this too much. It behave completely different by using S1 here suffix pre. We can use P or Q here. It doesn't matter. But if you use P, you need to use P for the next command, or Q and use Q for the next command. R1 S1 to L1 S2 to L2, and then we can check the md5 hash here. They are the same, but when we check the diff, they are different. And then to actually check the output, we need to run the executable to these bin files. Yeah, this is the bin file. It's we have as the normal software, but now checks the how to. Yep, we can bypass the if here, and this is the malicious software.